Welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 5th to the 9th of May 2025 on Monday. Thandiso and Sakile confront Pendulo about the notebook and suggest she goes to visit a relative in Johannesburg. Pendulo agrees but later changes his mind and abducts Jason on Tuesday. Pendulo keeps Jason hostage in the hotel storeroom. At first, Martha thinks he is playing mind's game, but later worries when his PA nor his bodyguards can reach him on Wednesday. Thandiso and Sakile freak out when they learn that Pendulo never arrived in Johannesburg. Later, Phakathi questions Thandiso about Pendulo's whereabouts on Thursday. Martha discovers a wounded Jason who later lays a charge against Pendulo, swearing revenge. Sakile's house is raided. Fanyana confesses his feelings for Kayise to Leroy on Friday. Jason announces that Pendulo is a fugitive and manipulates the public by painting himself as a survivor, while the pressure mounts for those connected to Pendulo. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Welcome.